In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize content blocks in your email editor. Let's get started by opening your email campaign and heading straight into the email editor. This is the workspace where you'll build and refine the content of your message. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen for the Content Blocks panel. This panel is your toolbox, and it's where you'll find the elements you can add to your email, like images, buttons, and multi-column layouts. Next, find the block you want to use. For a visual highlight, choose the image block. If you want a clear call to action, pick the button block. And if you need to structure content side by side, the columns block will help you do that. When you've decided, click and hold the block, then drag it into your email. As you move it around, you'll see placement indicators that show you exactly where it will land. Release your mouse to drop the block into place. Don't worry if it isn't perfect on the first try. You can always drag it again to reposition it. Now, click the block you just added to open its settings panel. This panel is where the real customization happens. For an image block, upload your graphic and make sure it's clear and appropriately sized. If your editor offers options like cropping or alignment, use them to fine-tune the look. Adding descriptive alt text is a good accessibility practice and helps if images don't load. For a button block, update the button text so it clearly communicates the action you want readers to take. You can usually adjust the button color, shape, and alignment to match your brand. Keep contrast strong so the button stands out. Short, action-oriented text often performs best. With a columns block, choose the number of columns and adjust their widths. This is useful for organizing content like an image next to text or multiple features side by side. Keep mobile readers in mind. Columns should stack neatly on smaller screens, so avoid cramming too much into each section. As you customize, keep spacing consistent, use readable fonts, and maintain a clear visual hierarchy so your message flows naturally. When you're satisfied with the changes, click Save and Close to apply them. This ensures your edits are locked in and ready for the next round of refinements. And that's it. You've opened your campaign, located the content blocks, dragged in the element you needed, customized it to fit your message, and saved your work. You're now set to build polished, professional emails with confidence.